Yeah. Hey, yo, okay. My skin white like cocaine. Put the steel to his face like Cobain. Make him go wild like Cobain. I am mentally insane. I'm Satan's son, I'm going crazy. 666 on my chest. I am the best. I'm about to flex. Yeah, huh. Yeah, stomp on his neck. Damn. Going crazy like a Super Saiyan. Stone cold like Frieza. My flow perfect like Cell. Oh, shout out Geek, ring a bell. Ayy, I'll be like, what the hell? Yeah, shout out to Astro, cause that is my brother. From another mother, like no other. Me and him go way back. Way back. Back when I had the red Nikes. Back when I had the skinny jeans. Back when I was just chilling and villain and chilling like a fucking villain. Damn, ice on my neck so I'm freezing. Damn, if you don't like me, that's fine. Cause honestly, I got the time to rhyme. And I'm sitting here on the dock, chilling and vibing. Yeah. Huh. This beat is fucking crazy. Had to go crazy. Had to go Slim Shady. Yeah. Gang. I ain't done, I'm going back, king. If you don't like me, time. I laugh it off like the Joker. My life is like a game of poker. Oh, that's your girl, then I'm like poker. Yeah, I'm ruthless, I'm evil. Ha. I'm not always evil, I'm only evil when I have to be, damn. But I had to go crazy on this beat, cause this shit is fucking crazy. Ha. They said Skelly is fucking lazy? Where, bitch? I get up every day at 7 a.m. and fucking vibe. Listen to beats or listen to raps. It doesn't really matter, I don't give a crap. Huh. Yeah. Graveyard games for the death of me. 6 feet deep entertainment. That's the fucking click. You don't like me, suck a dick, cause I ain't done. I'm gonna keep going and keep flowing and keep spraying and keep spraying and praying. Hope I don't find you in a dark alley, cause I'm gonna go Freddy Krueger. Watch your fucking steps. Cause honestly, I got a bat and I might put it to your tent pole. Huh? Yeah.